everyone, this is Jared with Hamlin's Marine. Today I am on the 2026 Godfrey EX1886FX. Now this one we got with the midnight package, so it's going to have the black rails that really show well. But let me bring you inside and show you all about this boat. So here at the front here, let me just explain this little half gate here. So they do this on the fishing models just in case you want to install a trolling motor. It does have a place to rest when not in use. Speaking of that, you do have your trolling motor plug right here on the port side front, as well as a place to install the battery right below that. Now on the starboard side, you do have a storage compartment where the battery is on the port side, and you do have a nice little glove box right behind that seat as well to store some items. All right, so here at the helm, a couple things you need on a fish boat. One of them would be a fish finder. So we do have the Lowrance Eagle 5 right on there. You do also have your Godfrey standard gauges, which give you your fuel, tilt, speed, and tack. You do also have a wireless phone charger right here, which you can pair up with this Bluetooth Clarion radio that's right below it, which is going to power up the 4 speakers in here and keep your music going all day long. All right, so right behind the captain's chair, we do have something that doubles as a seat and a live well. So it has a cushion on top. You lift that up. Underneath there is your live well, recirculating live well. On the back here, you do have 2 more fish seats. You do also have a nice little area to sit down, as well as a nice storage box here on the port side. That port side does also have your control for your live well there. Now in the back, you'll see this is just a little storage table. It's going to be a rod holder, storage compartment, a good place to store tackle as well. We do have this 1886 paired with a Yamaha high thrust 50 horsepower, specifically meant for pontoons. They have a little larger prop on them, spin a little bit faster, so they're able to push something that's a little bit heavier, a little bit larger. So Yamaha traditionally comes with 3 years warranty. Sometimes you'll get lucky and there'll be an offering a promotion for an extra 2. But Godfrey is the same no matter what, so they give you 10 years bow to stern, as well as lifetime on the deck and the pontoons. Well, thank you everybody for joining us today as we did our walk around of the Godfrey 1886FX midnight package in charcoal in black. Now this boat is available now. You can reach us at hamlinsmarina.com or give us a call at our Waterville or Hamden store today. Thanks again.